And welcome, beautiful people, future me, to the round number 4 of today's programming workout of mine, where I'm trying to improve myself in the beautiful and very often frustrating art of programming. My method is to train a secondary uh, feature attribute of programmers for 5 minutes, uh, which could be like IDE, some shortcuts, typing it is today, and 25 minutes of coding, the programming practice, which in my case is either to build some application or going through a tutorial. Yeah, today we are going through Angular tutorial. Yeah, I keep the track of my sessions. This might be like 510th or so session. I think so. It takes a while to load the folder with the videos, but yeah, it's more like 508, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 513 session of me trying to be a better human being. And I keep track of my typing as well. This is the error rate for all time, past 7 days, past 3 days, and we are trying to get the error rate down. This is my personal best. And the VPM kind of goes up with me trying as well, which is nice. So let's get into it. I'm using the Typing.io web page to train the typing, and let's try to do the least amount of typos as possible. Okay. .4% and 41 is very good result in the land of professional grade beginner. For 41, yay! We have 2 minutes to go, so maybe we can do another one. Okay, so we finished this lesson, so we will look for another one. So we probably finished this, so we will do this guy. Until $1. Holy crap. Right here. What the hell is this? Even. Okay, that felt good. This is my personal best. This is my personal best. 0% error rate. That's awesome. That's really something. That's awesome. And zero. Freaking zero. Zero. That's awesome. That's awesome. Zero is a very important number. And I didn't call you a zero. Look at that, that's so beautiful. So beautiful. Not a single mistake. Well, it was pretty short, but I'll take it. I'll take it. I take all of it. And how are you, sir? You just came, right? You felt that you were summoned by me saying zero. You're feeling almost Friday, which is almost Saturday. Okay, and we have a Thursday. Oh, today is Thursday. What am I doing? I'm starting the timer, that's what I'm doing. And we are handling some error. Yeah, I don't know how to tell TypeScript that I'm returning a... Okay, so expected this, yeah, I thought so. Okay, so but oh, I'm not in the insert mode. Insert this, that, I guess. Now, expected one space after, yeah, do one space. Oh, this is it. Okay, so this is how we define the... Go away. This is how we define the return type of a function. The semicolon, and then this. Like, why is this here? It could be it could be A. It will still work, right? Does it still work? Which is almost summer. Oh well, that escalated quite quickly, didn't it? Okay, so that works. Like 15, yeah, I was outside. It was like, yeah, a few days ago I was like freezing my balls outside, and today I was sweating them. Yeah, that happened. That did happen. It's like 30 degrees difference. It's like we are living on Siberia or somewhere. Such a big changes in temperature. So yeah, and what the fuck is this doing? The handle error. Handle error. Yeah, that's the same thing to do. It's better readable in here. It's too bad that I cannot like disappear this panel on the left. Or maybe can I? Oh, I can! Fuck me. That's okay, it's okay. Don't worry. Okay. This is not what we are doing. Yeah, true. I was doing that with an advertisement for a while when the ad block was broken. Yeah. Descent error. Better job of transforming error for user consumption. Okay, so now we will be simulating, I guess, the problem, right? Because each of the service methods returns different kind of observable result, and the server takes the type parameter so it can return the safe value as the type that the app expects. Tap into observable. What does it mean? What does it mean? Error service methods will tap into the flow of observable. heroes and send a message via the what? Will tap. Okay. What does it mean? So the message error at the bottom. Okay, they'll do that with the RxJS tab operator. Which is this. So we have a pipe. And we did added this in front of the catch error. Okay. What does it do? Which looks at the observable values, does something with those values and passes them along. In our case, it just logs it. The tab callback doesn't touch the values themselves. Here's the final version, blah blah blah. Okay, so we'll copy this. Copy. And we will go this over here. Here we go. Beautiful. And now if we reload it, heroes, and it says hero service, fetch heroes, hero service, fetch heroes. What? Why is this here twice? Oh, I know, because the log method says hero service over here. See? It's over here, so this is not needed. And now, when we look at it, hero service, fetch heroes. Works. Beautiful. Get hero by ID. Oh, holy crap. Get by ID requests in the form of base URL ID. Here the base URL is the heroes URL defined in the heroes HTTP section, but the heroes URL was kind of like with already. Okay, IP heroes. The heroes and HTTP section. And ID is the number of hero that you want to retrieve. For example, IP heroes 11. Yeah. Update the hero service get hero method with the following to make that request. Okay, so what do I see is we had this, I think, already in there. Right, so this is in the hero service. So we return. Oh, hold on. We didn't change it in here. The fuck was I doing? Oh, this is get hero, not heroes. Okay. So get hero and well, this is get heroes, all of them, and this is get hero one of them. And the URL is constructed by the string template, and it takes this hero's URL, which is defined in the class. That's the class property. And then we take the ID, which is passed down as an argument to this function. Okay, and we return, so we call the HTTP again, which is our HTTP service or something. HTTP, what was the HTTP, huh? HTTP, Control-Shift-I is the HTTP client. So we'll use the HTTP client, and so we will. So first of all, we will introduce the constant of the URL, which we will construct. Yeah. Hey, Freeman, how are you today? Welcome back. You tired? Oh yeah, me too. Me too. Well, not critically, so might not be tired as you are. But I can understand. So here we will put the template, and we will do this hero's URL, and behind that there will be slash, maybe. Yep, slash, just one, that's enough. And we will put in the ID. Yep, so this is our URL. Now we will change this to make the call. So we will do this, the HTTP, which is our HTTP client, dot get, and we put in the URL. The other parameter will be the fuck, I don't know. Options? What are options? Maybe that's it, right? Maybe that's it. URL, yeah, that's it. And then we get the observable from it, right? One observable of one hero, and we will pipe it. Pipe means we can do shit on it, which is nice. Alright. What's wrong with you? It's not observable to... There's a mismatch, the type mismatch. Because I did not specify the get. There we go. Very nice. That, and now we want to tap into it, right? So we do tap. How do we do that? Yeah, I just say tap, so why it doesn't... Oh, weird. So it will take whatever, and we will just this dot lock, and we will say fetched hero. Okay. Do we use the template? Yes, we do. Okay, so it will be fetched hero 2, and we say ID. This is how we roll. What is this? White space, okay. Now, at the end, we will catch the possible error and treat it, right? So I do catch error, I think, and we say this dot error. It is hero, I think, and we say get hero, which is the thing which failed, and result will be what? Null. Get hero ID equals ID, and so he doesn't provide the second parameter. Get hero uses the template, the string template. Okay, like so. Get hero ID equal $ID. Here we go. And our handle error thingy should do the trick. Yep. Okay, because it looks like this. It creates new thing here. This could be bigger a little bit, the preview definition. Okay. So we did that. Hey Quincy, how are you today? Greetings to Korea. How is it Korea today? Tonight? This morning? No, you're ahead. Oh yes, you're ahead. So you either didn't sleep at all, or you're very early bird. Porn? Well, we always talk about the porn when you come in. Also, it's... oh, well, that's not too early. Also, I want to show you that we have a new, the change ID redeem points thingy, which you can change the background image in here. So for example, right now I have this over here, which was chosen by by you. So it's still here. It is still here. Fail. I didn't remember that you were the one. You were the one. Java. Oh yeah. You know, I heard this saying, and that was like, there are languages which everyone complains about. That's one category, and then is the second category, and those are the languages which no one uses. So we did catch the error, and now we are reading what we did. Okay, so get hero constructs the request URL with the desired hero's ID. Yes. The server should respond with a single hero rather than array. Yes. Get hero returns observable hero rather than observable of hero arrays. Yes. Clutch class still haunts me to this day. Good at C+. Feels bad, man. Honestly, all the languages are the same to me except for C and C++. Like all languages. For me, it is like I see like the differences. Like for me, like there are these paradigms, like right, like the functional versus objective. Those are like, for example, like Java and C#, like it's the same. And but you have like those different like approaches, which is kind of like different. But a lot of them, yeah, sure, they are like basically the same thing. Basically the same thing. At the end of the hero details template, add a save but blah 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 blah. Edit hero's name and a hero view. As you type, the hero name updates the heading at the top of the page. 20. And when we are at it, I think it will be more. Come on. Heroes service. I would love to. Oh, where did I put it? Mog heroes now. Where is it? Memory did. Ah, here we go. So this will be. So we love. Let's say 101. This will be Freeman 42x. And this will be Sir John Stun. Here we go. That's much better. Here we go. Okay, so we'll be saving something. As you type, the hero name updates the heading at the top of the page, but when you click go back button, the changes are lost. Yeah, so if we do 102 and 102, then go here, yeah, there's a 101 again, which is bad. So we will do the save thingy. You must write them back to the server at the okay, now I don't know if you hate it or love it. Either way, it's there and you are famous. You're officially famous now. Expect a lot of girls like going crazy all over you everywhere you go. That's how your life is from now on. Yeah, and there's nothing you can do about it. you need to hire some bodyguards now. at the end of the hero detail template. Click save. Okay. Hero HTML here. So, and we will put it in the ngIf button. Click yes. Save. Yeah. Save. And we will implement that method here. It will do absolutely, it will return absolutely nothing. Yep, wait. We have this hero. Yeah, so we can also, this is not needed, right? It will work without it. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, so it doesn't have to be input, I think. Or this should still work, right? So here, yeah. And this is the end of the round number 4. Yay! So we can proceed to the next round.